What is the use of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model that can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as text generation, text classification, text summarization, question answering, and dialogue generation. Some specific use cases for ChatGPT could include virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used to create virtual assistants that can answer customer queries and assist with customer service. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate natural language content such as articles, blog posts, and social media updates. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can engage in natural language conversations with users and provide information or support. Education. ChatGPT can be used in education to provide personalized learning experiences and to help students with language learning or writing assignments. Overall, the main use of ChatGPT is to leverage its advanced natural language processing capabilities to enhance communication and automate various language-related tasks.